Computer vision for electrical inspection sounds advanced only until you realize it's simply teaching machines to see problems before humans do. Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we don't just teach subjects, we break them down to their core intuition so you understand why AI is changing engineering practice, not just what tools are being used. Most students think computer vision in electrical inspection is a niche AI application, but in reality, it exists to solve a very practical and urgent problem: how to inspect large, complex electrical infrastructure safely, accurately, and continuously. Traditional inspection relies heavily on human observation, which is slow, expensive, and sometimes dangerous, especially in high-voltage or hard-to-reach environments. To see this intuitively, think about how a trained electrician visually checks for loose connections, overheating marks, or damaged insulation. Computer vision does the same thing, but at scale. Cameras and sensors capture images of equipment, and AI models analyze patterns to detect cracks, corrosion, overheating, or misalignment, often before a human would notice anything wrong. At a deeper level, computer vision systems use image processing and machine learning to extract features, recognize anomalies, and classify defects. When combined with tools like thermal cameras, drones, or fixed monitoring systems, these models can continuously monitor electrical assets and flag potential failures in real time instead of waiting for scheduled inspections. On a larger scale, computer vision-based inspection is transforming power grids, substations, solar farms, transmission lines, and industrial plants. Utilities and industries use these systems to reduce downtime, improve safety, and prevent costly failures by identifying issues early and accurately. In real engineering practice, computer vision for electrical inspection is applied in predictive maintenance, fault detection, quality assurance, and asset management. Engineers integrate AI models with imaging hardware and control systems to create automated inspection pipelines that operate reliably under real-world conditions. Now that the intuition behind computer vision for electrical inspection is clear, the next step is to explore predictive maintenance and AI-driven asset management, where visual intelligence becomes part of fully autonomous monitoring systems. And that's exactly what we'll cover next here at the Learning Studio.